morning, guys. 6:40 a.m. You know we roll nice and early. I don't know how I gotta start this thing up really fast and leave really fast because it's crazy loud. You know how it is rolling out. Family sleeping. I don't know if you guys go out early, but I love going out early. There's nothing better than leaving nice and early on a ride. But I don't want to piss anybody off, especially my family. So we just started up, roll it to the street, started up. We're gonna go meet the guys. We're going to Bikes and Breakfast up at the market, Palisades, New York. I still left my key over there in the back. This thing is an absolute friggin' killer now. Oh my God, it's loud. And I just roll out. That's it. And just keep it in low RPM until the engine warms up. This thing sounds so good. I didn't even get it on the highway yet. When I left Mike's shop, there was like so much traffic on the highway and I had to do something. I forgot. So I just took like side streets back home. So I wasn't really able to open it up. Look at that. It's no cruise control on. Just the torque is pulling the bike. And obviously because it's a cold start. But I haven't even really opened it up yet at all. But I know it sounds absolutely insane. I got huge shout out to Tech Spec. I'll show you guys the tank grip pads, but they're supporting the channel for the Hayabusa. I've used Tech Spec before on other sport bikes, and I think by far it's the best and my favorite tank pads, and they were kind enough to support the Hayabusa, so I'm really happy about that. Listen to that thing. Oh, it sounds so good. That's what I'm talking about. Listen to that thing. Guys, if you guys want the best riding gear, man, let me tell you, right here, IndyRidgeUSA.com. I got the motorsport gloves on. They're more of a late spring, summer, early fall type glove. You got the knuckle protection, and I'm wearing right there my Indy Ridge Comanche boots. Best riding boots, bar none. Comfortable, waterproof. They got the ventilated series, fantastic boots. Everybody's getting them, and you guys are messaging me and telling me how comfortable they are, and they are the best. Use code Fanatix10, get your 10% discount, and trust me, you will definitely not be disappointed. So I want to tell you the biggest thing so far, other than how fantastic it sounds, this bike leans over so much better now, goes into turns so much better now, because it is about 45 pounds lighter. Now think about that. Go to the gym, grab one of those big 45-pound plates and put it on your back in a backpack or on the bike, and hopefully you understand how much huge weight advantage that is. It just leans into turns now so much better. Oh, this thing is insane. Oh my goodness, I hope the audio comes out good on this. Oh my God, that sounds absolutely crazy. Even the upshifts, you get like this pop from the BT Moto tune. Oh my goodness, it sounds good. This thing sounds absolutely insane. Wow. Best sound and exhaust, bar none, for the Hayabusa. Alien Head 2. My opinion. better time of day than to come out in the morning. Oh my goodness, on a weekend, nobody on the roads. It's so deep. And that's why I chose this exhaust. It's like, it really complements the motor. Oh my goodness. So we saved probably approximately, I'm thinking about 45 pounds on the exhaust, and then maybe, I don't know, another 5 pounds. I removed the passenger pegs and brackets. I took them off. The bike looks a lot cleaner, and I'll show you guys that. Oh my goodness, you hear this like crazy induction howl and the beautiful Alien Head 2 Brock's exhaust. Wow. Listen to that. Oh my God. Now that's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Insane.
Dude. Oh my God. Holy f.
They only could get like Honda Civics to sound like that.
Oh yeah, Honda Civic. Holy shit. The sound though, it's unbelievable. Oh this thing sounds absolutely beautiful. Oh my God, I'm so happy with the decision that I made on this exhaust. Oh yeah. I can't even hear Flying Rides Harley Davidson over this exhaust. Holy cow. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments. What do you think about this Brock's Performance Alien Head exhaust? Oh my goodness, it sounds good. I don't know if it's going to do justice through the camera audio, but oh my goodness, wow. I see Glenn likes it. And Glenn knows what sounds good. Oh yeah, Nadal in his 131. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Beautiful bike. Got Eddie, got Jimmy. Oh, he's smoking a stogie. Sounds crazy, right? So we're in Fort Lee, New Jersey. Right there is the George Washington Bridge, Hudson River, and you cross the bridge and you're in Manhattan. So now we're going to take 9W all the way north to Palisades, New York. Perfect weather too. It's probably about, I don't know, in the low 50s, nice and cool, but not cold. My boy, look at that CVO. That thing is gorgeous. Oh yeah, Indy Ridge, baby, right there. Use code Fanatix10. Everybody's rocking the Indy Ridge, man. I'm not joking. He's got the Crutchfields on, the ventilated. I love them. I think that's my favorite. The black vented with the tan bottoms. Go to IndyRidgeUSA.com. Use code Fanatix10. Oh yeah. I have them. Those are my favorite out of all of them. Yeah, these are good too. But I think those are my first. These are my second. I like the black with the tan bottom. Yeah. They look so good with black jeans. Oh, he's got the Indy Ridge gloves. Look at that. Nice. Flying Ride is looking pretty sharp. Got the CVO. He's got the nice outfit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Glenn's bike, 124. Glenn's bike's got a lot of power too. Sounds really good. I like that paint set as well. Man, I'm so happy with this exhaust and how it sounds. You can just see it on everybody's face. No joke. It sounds amazing. I would highly recommend the Alien Head 2 if you have a Hayabusa. Just complements the big motor. It's nice and deep. So if you keep going straight, this is 9W, we're gonna get to the market, right, where we're going, Bikes and Breakfast in Palisades, New York. And if you keep taking this 9W all the way up north, just a little more, maybe about 20 minutes, you'll be in that whole entire Bear Mountain area where we always ride. You guys always see us riding, and it's just beautiful riding there. everybody loves the sound of the bike, and it does. It just sounds amazing. But anyway, great turnout if you guys ever want to come here. First Sunday of every month. Guys watching have a Hayabusa, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what exhaust you guys are running. If you have something different, let me know what your thoughts are. And if you have the same one, let me know what you think about the alien head too, because I'm absolutely in love with the with how the exhaust sounds on this bike. You see that? Oh my God, I almost hit that bird. If I didn't put my head down if I didn't put my head down, that bird would have literally smacked me straight in the friggin' head. I felt his wings literally scrape the top of my helmet. You got to be kidding me. Oh my God. And trust me, doing about 60, 70 miles an hour wouldn't feel too good. It'd probably rock your head back. And you know what I love about it is how this tune is every time I shift, whether it's upshift or downshift, before that shift takes place, it gives you like a loud pop. And that just sounds so good. And now I can hear, you know, when the stock exhaust is on, like you don't really know what the engine is doing unless you look down at the tack. But now with an exhaust, you know exactly what's going on. And let me tell you, super happy with the tech spec grips, tank pads. I got them on the side and on the top, because when I lock my legs in now, it is super, super grippy. Before, I highly recommend getting some tank pads on the side and on the top for that grip. I should have dropped it down another gear. It's crazy how fast, what a difference. And I know before you start commenting, oh, it's a Harley. Yeah, I know. Just curious to see how fast this bike is compared to a Harley. But obviously I know it stands no chance. So I know a lot of you guys are gonna get on a lot of you guys are gonna get a bandwagon and say, that's no comparison, that's a Harley. That sounds fantastic. Oh yeah, 131. Super happy with the BT Moto Flash and Velocity stacks. I know there's probably some untapped horsepower potential. Obviously you would need to go on the dyno and get tuned that way instead of just the ECU Flash, because every motor is different. So that's why there's still a lot of power. But honestly, it's fast enough. And the main thing I was going for was the sound. The sound is just absolutely incredible. And I was researching a whole bunch of different exhausts, and this one just, I'm telling you, this one just sounded the best. It definitely sounded better than the Akrapovic duals. Definitely sounded better than anything else on the market for that matter. Now Brock's does have some other exhausts like the Pentacarbon. I was going to do the CT4 I believe, but after hearing the alien head, wow, super happy with the decision. telling you, that weight reduction from the exhaust system and the rear passenger pegs and brackets made a gigantic difference. I'm not going crazy. If you guys have a Hayabusa, tell me I'm not going crazy, because it made a gigantic difference as far as how the bike leans over, comes out of a turn, and just overall lightness of the bike. It's remarkable how 45 pounds changes the characteristics of a bike. So that was another, you know, huge thing why obviously I wanted to do the exhaust. Thing's a beast. And that pop when you upshift, oh my god. Seems also like the quick shifter is working even better than it was. And like I told you guys in the past, this quick shifter is probably, if not the best, or one of the best I've ever tried on a sport bike, or on any other bike for that matter. It's just so smooth.